Hi everyone, I have been decluttering. I actually started back in January. I know I mentioned in a previous video that I follow the Passionate Penny Pincher. I use her planner. So I was kind of going, they have like a weekly task. So I was following along, started with the pantry, did the refrigerator, the freezer, and all the while thinking, gosh, I should really be recording this. It would make some great videos. And I'm sure if you saw my mess before and after, it would actually be some fantastic motivation. But I just didn't take the time to set up the camera and do the different camera angles and pictures, and I just wanted to get it done. But by the time I got to my bedroom, I actually said, this is something. This is a big mess, and it's gonna help somebody who's gonna see it's gonna say, oh my god, I'm overwhelmed and I can't do it, and they're gonna see my video and hopefully it'll be the motivation they need to get started. So what I did in the closet was, because it was so overwhelming, I broke it down in 30-minute chunks. I would go in there and work for 30 minutes. I'm not the best record keeper, so I didn't actually film step by step, but I do have here and there and in between, so it's enough to get my point across. It's not perfect, it's not Pinterest worthy, but it is a big difference. And I just, as I've been decluttering my house, it's just felt so much more peaceful and calm and clean, obviously, but I just love the way that it feels. It's easier to keep clean. So I've gone through the first round of cleaning the house, of getting rid of a lot of stuff. I still have so much stuff though. I'm not sure. I've made so many trips to Goodwill. I've given away here and there and everywhere, and I still feel like I have a lot of stuff. So it's not by any means done. My closet especially is not by any means done, but I gave away as much as I could at this time. Actually, I did it probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I keep going in there and just getting rid of a little bit more, things that I don't need, things that I don't wear. Decluttering is hard, guys. It is hard to get rid of your stuff. All these items that I paid for, I paid good money for beautiful blouses. A lot of them that I had in my closet though, they didn't fit right, they didn't feel comfortable. A lot of them still had the tags, and I just thought, I can't do this. I don't even know what to wear. I couldn't even walk in my closet. So I just started getting rid of things that I didn't feel comfortable in. And so right now, everything that I have in my closet, it fits, I can wear it, but I know I still have too much. I'm gonna go through it again, but what I'm gonna do is start over at the pantry again and just make my round again. So I'm gonna, I plan on filming everything again. My pantry's gotten more cluttered. My closet has stayed clean, but it's only been a couple weeks. But everything else is kind of, you move from one thing from one room to another, so it's a big circle. So I plan to film it all, and I hope you follow me on my journey. Oh my goodness, you guys, this closet is an absolute disaster. I cannot believe I let it get this bad. I have clothes that I don't even wear, shoes I don't even wear. I don't even know what's around the corner. I can't even walk in here. I'm going to tackle this project and get it back in order. And the sad part is that I had already started pulling stuff out. There's so much clothes everywhere. I don't even know where this clothes came from. I don't know. I think they multiply. There's got to be a way that they're multiplying. It's a mess. So this is actually what it looked like before I started pulling stuff out. I have a lot of shoes. More shoes. More shoes. And this is what it looked like after I had kind of narrowed it down, and then I had emptied the shelves. So this is where it really starts. You guys, I live in South Texas and I'm keeping scarves. It gets cold like twice a year. I don't know. Decluttering is hard. So I have a couple of bags. One is a trash bag. With clothes, I don't put them in a box. It just seems easier to give them away in trash bags. So I have a trash bag and I have one bag for trash and one bag for the clothes that I'm going to give away. I wish I could move this fast for real. And here, I know it's moving pretty fast, but you can kind of tell I'm just trying to group things so that it's just not all spread out everywhere. That way I put everything back, it's already in order. This is where I start loading things back in the closet. So apparently I didn't film all the bags that I gave away, but these are all my empty hangers. And so every one of those hangers had an article of clothing. So I did give away quite a bit of stuff. I really wish I would have taken pictures of it though. And these are all the shoes I kept. Out of all those pairs, this is all I kept. So in these bins on the top of the closet, I have warmer clothes because it's really hot right now. So I just figured it'd be better to save them up there instead of in the mix with the rest of the clothes. And also seasonal clothes like Christmas and stuff. And I was able to narrow everything down, get rid of enough so that everything fits just on the top row. I don't have anything on my bottom row of the closet now. So I hope you were able to get some motivation from all of that mess. It is, like I said earlier, it is hard work. All those decisions of letting stuff go, it's heartbreaking almost, but I hope I encourage somebody to get started. Let me know in the comments below if you have started and what area of home you did begin in, and I hope you continue to follow me on my journey to declutter my house.